Welcome to Cloud Native Orchestration with HCL Workload Automation and Microsoft Azure. Orchestrate cloud-native applications, and bridge business flows between cloud and on-premises environments. Manage cloud-native applications locally or remotely with our integrations. HCL Workload Automation provides you with a wide range of Microsoft Azure plugins under one roof, which helps you automate the cloud processes. Automate more using our Microsoft Azure plugins. The Azure plugins, downloadable from Automation Hub, help you orchestrate the cloud and big data automation processes and manage big data analysis and storage. For more information, visit the website. Let us consider a scenario in which a large retail company, including a network of stores and e-commerce site, wants to maintain a competitive advantage over its competitors by quickly intercepting competitors' price changes to automatically adjust its own prices. What should the company care about, considering it is running an e-commerce business? One activity that for sure they might want to perform on a pretty much regular basis could be to analyze prices data from web sources to understand how prices are used by competitors. Then, based on this information and their historical information, they want to automatically reprice their goods and update the inventory accordingly. Now, we want HCL Workload Automation to orchestrate this scenario. So, thanks to HCL Workload Automation and Azure plugins, the customers can create a cloud environment provisioned with Azure Resource Manager plugin. Use this cloud environment to eventually trigger a third-party tool to retrieve prices using Azure Data Factory. Store these prices using Azure Blob and Data Lake storage and, if no longer needed, deprovision the cloud environment with Azure Resource Manager. Analyze data and compare current data with historical trends using Azure Databricks. Update the current prices and update the product inventory, which could be on SAP or Oracle or any other kind of their management system. Thanks to Workload Automation, it is possible to automate and orchestrate the entire process. Provide real-time business intelligence. Analyze historical data and price changes. Maintain the retail company's business operation efficient. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please contact us.